I'm broke. Give me the best budget gaming PC. Okay, bet my name. The Ryzen 5 9600X and 9060 XT combo is a beast for 1080p Ultra and 1440p high gaming. Next, the B650 Eagle AX is the best price-to-value ratio. Coming in at $160, it supports up to 7,600 MHz and has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth integrated. For memory, you get 32 gigabytes of DDR5 CL32 at 6,000 MHz and 1 terabyte of storage. The Peerless Assassin 120 SE is one of the best value air coolers out there under $40. All of that in the Musetex Y6, a solid mid-range case which has 3 120mm fans pre-installed. All of this comes in at just over $1,000.